You can create videos like this without ever showing your real face. In fact, you can build an entire faceless content channel using an AI avatar that looks. You can use it for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and it doesn't matter what type of content you create. Documentaries, vlogs, storytelling, educational videos, entertainment, or even prank style. But here's where it gets even more interesting. You can also use the exact same method to create AI-powered video ads. No camera, no studio, no need to show your face. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create this AI avatar. So, let's get started.
And now that's real me. I'll show you how to create this kind of AI avatar for yourself, for your faceless content, or if you guys are looking to create for AI ads, and I'm gonna show you. Let's get in. So first, you guys just simply copy and paste the prompt, and all you need is came to this PDF. I provided you a link in the description of this PDF. Simply copy this from to the end. That's the first step. Copy this. Next, go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste here like this. And at the bottom, you can see you can add the topic. So which topic you guys want to add. So like I want to add a topic is mindset motivation. So the moment you add the topic, simply click next, and now they will create your fully script. So we are not going to copy and paste the script. There is few next step from that script. Okay, so now you can see they created a script for 30 seconds. You can also increase the length of this, like you can see 30, you can go with like 60 seconds, up to you. Okay, step one done. Next is you can take a selfie of yourself if you want to create your own avatar, or you can, if you're looking for a faceless avatar, then we go to like Pinterest, because a lot of people are interested in faceless. So the moment you're in Pinterest, you have to find a person. So I added like old person aesthetics. I'm looking for old kind of person like this. I like this one. I selected this person. Okay, so you guys can select any of this person. We will change a lot of things. So the moment you click, simply click download in your PC. So you don't have to do anything from completely scratch. I done the work for you. You guys just copy and paste this exact prompt that I already gave you in the description. Go back and upload this image here. You can see I uploaded. So I uploaded this image here. This image already looks really good, but I'm gonna also add a few things, like I said this, so they can change this image according to this my small prompt. I changed their color, hats, clothing, locations a little bit. So let's see how it looks like. ChatGPT created me two images. I really like the first one, so I am going to start this first image. And all you need is download this image in your PC. I uploaded this exact same image again. Now go back to this prompt, and that is the second step. All you need is simply copy till the bottom to here, and you can see in here I added paste your script here. Okay, so the moment you copy here, go back, copy and paste. Do not click enter, go above, and that is the script that ChatGPT is created for us. So all you need is simply copy the script, and you can see just remove this and copy and paste that script here, and simply click enter. And now they will create you a scenes, like basically a video scenes according to this image. So that's going to be really alignment for consistent. Basically your character will be very consistent with this method. Okay, so you can see they created me 1, 2, 3 scenes, and I told them like create me 3 scenes. Now step 1, step 2 has been done. Next, we are going to use Google OMNI Flash to create our AI avatar. So let's go. Simply go to Google Flow. I will also provide you Google Flow link, or you can search on Google, sign up for completely free. They have a free version and paid version. They give you 50 credits every single day for completely free. The moment you guys are here, simply click on the project. Okay, the moment you click on the project, you guys can see this kind of page. In here, you can click on agent, and you can see there are multiple options. Okay, so first you can drag and drop your image here. The moment image has been uploaded, simply copy and paste the prompt. So I literally copied this first prompt. The moment it's done, then you can select this one, video ingredients, 9:16 or 16:9, which one you're looking. Let's say I'm creating a short video, and I'm going for 10 seconds, and these are the different basically models, 3.1 VO, but I'm looking for OMNI Flash, so I'm going to start with OMNI Flash 1 video. They will charge me 15 credits. Now click this, and it will take like 1 minute to create a video for you. Okay, so the video has been basically created. Now click this, and you can see upscale and upload 180p, and they will start uploading. Now next step is again drag and drop this and go back, and you can see that is the second. You guys again copy this, go back, copy and paste. These are the 3 times we have to do. Again, everything is exactly same, and click this, and we have to create these 3 scenes, and then simply attach these 3 scenes, and your AI avatar is ready. Whether you uploaded your own image, then it's going to be your own AI avatar, because we are not looking to show our face. We are creating faceless videos by showing other people's face, so you can create like this. Okay, so now you can So now you can see like I've created all these three, the same process, just add this prompt and it's done. The moment all these are three downloaded in your PC, then open your CapCut, or you guys edit videos in anything, just attach these videos like this A1, 2, 3 I attach, and a very basic motivational song, and quickly I'm going to show you the video.
You don't need more motivation. You need to stop negotiating with yourself. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you're teaching your brain that your promises don't matter. The problem isn't that you're incapable. You've just practiced quitting too many times. So start small. Keep one promise to yourself today, then another tomorrow. That's how confidence is built. Not by thinking differently, but by proving to yourself. Save this and keep your promise today.
So the video looks really good. This kind of videos works really well nowadays on Instagram. You can again create your own AI avatar or this kind of AI influencer avatar, and you can start posting content. Exactly same process. You can create any kind of videos. I selected mindset, motivation, topic, and scripts. You can just change the script and they will talk to you anything about based on your script and the niche that you guys select. Now I'll show you how you can create this kind of AI ads using this almost same process. Let's go. So how you can create AI UGC ad, a very simple and basic process. This is the exact prompt. All you guys need, copy and paste, and your video will be ready. Literally under 5 minutes, you can create a video for any kind of product you're selling, or that is a product service you guys are providing to anyone else they can run their ads. Just under 5 minutes your ad will be ready. Okay, so that is the prompt. You guys only have to copy and paste, and I already provided you basically prompt and PDF link in the description. You guys copy and paste. Again, let's start from here. So simply copy this and till the bottom, like you can see, it's a very big and detailed prompt. You guys can go all the way down to here like this, and you can just simply copy this. That's the step one. Next step is you can upload a person, and second is your product that you guys want to create the video for that specific product. Quickly, I'm gonna upload. So right now you can see I uploaded the image. There is a person I want to show in my ad. That is the old person. And second, I want to create this wallet ad. Like let's say I'm selling wallet through Shopify Facebook ads. So I need ads for that. So I added that wallet, that image, and all you need is simply copy and paste that exact prompt that I already provided you, and simply click enter, and now they will create you different scenes, and then the scenes is ready. Then all we need again, copy and paste. Okay, so now you can see they created part one. Again, this is a JSON prompt. It's a little bit more detailed prompt that AI understand very better. Okay, so you can see you can start copy from here and till the bottom, and you can see that the second bracket is closed here. So you have to copy from here to here, and then this part two starts from here. But right now we are creating part one. Okay, for that, the moment it's done, then you guys have to go back to your Google Flow. That is my Google Flow. You can also create a new flow, or I am literally using this exact basically the existing chat to create an ad. Okay, so first upload the image. Okay, make sure you guys are adding both products. Like that is my avatar and that is the product that I want to show this person. The moment it's done, then again you guys have to copy and paste. Now you guys want to create 16:9 ad or 9:16 ad. It's completely up to you. Right now I'm creating 9:16 real type of ad. The moment it's done, you can select the timing, everything. Again, cost me 15 credits. If you go with like a VO3, it will cost you 10 credits, but definitely OMNI Flash is the best model right now. So we go with like OMNI Flash and click it. Okay, so video one has been ready. Now next, again, we're gonna drag and drop because that's not all the scenes. Again, drag and drop these two things. Go back and you have to copy that second from here until this bracket is done here, and then the part 3 has been started. Again, copy and paste. You guys only have to repeat this process for 3 to 5 times based on your script. So quickly I'm gonna do all and I'm gonna show. So now you can see I created all the scenes. You can see they created me almost 5 scenes. I downloaded in my PC. Next, you have to add again in your any editor, which editor you guys are using. Right now I'm using CapCut. So all you need is add like this. You don't have to do any of these things. You can add any kind of text or anything if you want, but normally you don't need anything for that. Let's go and watch this ad, how it looks like. Okay.
Honestly, why did I carry this thing for so many years? Wait, this actually has room for everything I carry. Not gonna lie, I like how simple and organized this feels.
It's one of those little upgrades you notice every single day. Sometimes, the best upgrades are the simple ones. If you're still carrying an old wallet, maybe it's time.
Okay, so this ad, I would say like 10 out of 7. The reason is it's a little bit big and we don't need a little bit bigger ad, but still it looks really good, really professional. If you literally charge this money for that, you can easily charge. If there's a real person and real team behind this ad, you can easily charge like $250 to $500 because it's AI. That's why it's almost free. Yes, you have to spend credits, but again, if your script is more direct response and 30 seconds ad, that's going to be more highly converting ad. This is, you can say, it's more awareness type of ad, not direct sales ad. Okay, so but again, it's a really good ad. The more your good prompt is, the more you concise with your prompt with direct response, it's going to be best. Literally, you can create ads for yourself, or you can literally sell basically these AI ad services to other people. And you can also create AI avatar for your YouTube channels. I show you, if you want to create your own AI avatar, just take a photo of yourself and implement that exact same process. But you don't want to show your face, like you want to do faceless content, then you can only have to upload someone else's image, find on the Pinterest and change in ChatGPT, and just that is going to be your AI avatar. If you want to learn how to create 3D animated videos, then go and watch this video.